Here's the one time I made the perfect valance. I secured my fabric in the center with a safety pin. Then I secured my fabric into an upright. Then I secured the other end also into an upright. Then I extended the fabric out with one hand and I moved the other hand along the pole to gather the fabric. Here I am undoing the safety pin. Now I'm using a pipe cleaner to secure it. And then once securing it, I'm taking one end of the pipe cleaner and threading it through one of those slots. Again, I'm unpinning the fabric. I'm extending it out with one hand, sliding the other hand along the upright to gather the fabric. Taking my pipe cleaner to lock those pleats into place, and then threading it through one of the slots in the upright to attach. Undoing the pin in the center. Again, this is the one time I made the perfect valance.